Hello, Kit here, professional voice actor and narrator. If, like me, you occasionally come across words you don't know how to say or their meaning, then I'm here to help. George Bernard Shaw is said to have said, "England and America are two countries separated by a common language." So, here we go. Let's dive into the Atlantic. Lexicon, lexicant, lexican with lexicate. Here is a word that sounds quite different in British versus American speech. This adjective is from the Latin frangere, to break, and it means something that is easily broken or damaged. At the bottom it's written using symbols from the International Phonetic Alphabet. But there's a difference between the symbols for the British and American pronunciations. There's a difference in where the emphasis or stress is, which affects the sounds in the word. Here's the word written phonetically. I use DJ for that soft G in the middle. In a British accent, the word is fragile, with the stress on the second syllable, which is why I've put it in uppercase. In an American accent, the word is fragile, with an even stress across the word. Here's how the pronunciation difference might sound in a sentence. In a British accent, the glassware was packed in a box marked fragile. In an American accent, the glassware was packed in a box marked fragile. Where stress lands changes how a vowel sounds, as you can tell if I put the wrong emphasis on the wrong syllable. So, that's your lexicate word today. Fragile or fragile. Now you know how to say it and where to say it. Got a word you struggle with? Drop it in the comments. I just might feature it next. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart words made simple, and keep building your lexicate.